Welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet Techniques. Today we are deboning a split chicken breast with the rib bones still attached. We're going to start by going after the crest and stripping it down towards the rib bones. Using a fillet knife will help to remove the meat from the side of the bones in a scraping motion if fingers alone are not enough to help it separate. And during the process, when you're taking the meat apart from the bone, it will make it so that there is a small cavity that begins to form. You'll notice that the tenderloin has a tendon that needs to be taken off, and that can be done with a quick flick of the knife, safely of course, when you proceed to take off the rest and strip it down towards the ribs, where you will detach it from the end of the breast and then use a knife to slice it and scrape it until it is completely separated. There will be one more difficult portion up by the top of the breast where the drumette and wing are attached. You can take the knife and find the hole that goes through, and then you can cut just along where the tendon is at and proceed to separate the rest of the rib from the meat. Now make sure you use the knife to scrape it along. That way you don't have a whole lot of extra meat torn away. Use the knife to cut along the skin at the end, and then check inside of that same space where you just removed the drumette to make sure that there isn't a wishbone attached in there. Take off the skin, and there you have it. Take off that last little bit, slice it around the cartilage and tendon, and there you have a boneless, skinless chicken breast ready to use as you please. One last step is you take the tenderloin and you take off a nasty little bit of sinew that nobody wants to deal with or fine chew. Then finally will be that bit down at the tip. You take that off and you're all set. Do it yourself gourmet. Thanks for watching.